everyone! Welcome back to the Project Awesome. So I'm back with a new haul video. Ngayon na lang ako ulit gumawa ng haul video. And this is my first haul sa taong ito. Actually, I have a lot of products to share with you na ilang buwan nang nasa akin na hindi ko lang na i-share sa inyo. Kasi nga, ginagawa tong room ko. So ngayon, actually hindi pa siya tapos ayusin. Inayos ko lang tong area na to para makapag-video na ako kasi sobrang sayang, ang dami ng products na gusto ko nang i-share sa inyo. And ayun, pero gumawa naman ako ng ibang mga makeup tutorials. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, pati mga vlogs, I'm going to put all the links in the information box below, yung mga recent. Anyway, today I'm going to show you, this is supposed to be an unboxing video for BDJ. Kaso, nung December pa to, but it's already the month of March this 2017. So, technically, hindi na to unboxing for BDJs. Anyway, I'm just going to share with you this new products from Celotex.
Always talking about what he want.
If you don't know, Celotex has their own line of cosmetics, which is called the Celotex Dermo Cosmetics. And na-launch siya nung 2015 pa. I love their products. It's a bit pricey for some. I love their powder, the CC powder, the dual CC powder. I love the foundation. Meron din silang blush trio. It consists of contour, blush, and highlighter. And then recently, they launched new products at ang dami talaga. Almost complete na sila. Ang wala lang sila siguro eyeliner. Pero almost complete na. Tsaka makeups, I think they have mist spray that you can use that for for setting your makeup. But yeah, I'm going to share you all of these amazing new products from Celotex. Nakakatuwa nga kasi I got it from my BDJ box, and then Celotex sent me also their newest product. So nadoble yung iba, so I think I'm going to give away some of this soon. Iipunin ko lang para bongga, 'di ba? Sabi ko nung nag 25k subscribers ako, magpapa-giveaway ako, kaso nagkaroon ng anong tawag dito? Quarter life crisis ang lola nyo. So medyo natigil akong gumawa ng video. Kung gusto nyo malaman yung tungkol pa sa mga issue na yan, panoorin nyo yung Q&A videos ko, lalagay ko yung link sa baba, dun ko share lahat tungkol doon. Ang nakakatawa lang dun sa Celotex, nilagay nila yung products dito sa tray na to, at pagka tinanggal ko yan, makikita nyo yung initials ko sa loob. Naka-print sila. So, lahat kami ng mga vloggers na pinadala nila, nakalagay yung initials namin dyan. So, thank you so much for that. Naka-customize talaga. Ang ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo siguro, itong sa BDJ. Ayan, kasi mas complete to. Ayan yung itsura niya. This is my first BDJ box ever. Ayan nga. Tapos sa loob niyan, nakalagay yung mga cards about the products, nandyan yung prices, nandyan yung info about the new cosmetics. So, ilalagay ko na lang yung price sa baba kasi hindi ko to iisa-isahing basahin sa inyo dahil medyo madami siya. But yeah, let's get started. So, I want to start with the skincare first. So, I have here the Celotex Dermo Science Advanced Anti-Aging Cleansing Oil. Kita nyo ba siya? Ayan, cleansing oil. I'm going to do separate videos for this. This is just a haul video. Pero papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng cleansing oil na to. Ayan nga, Celotex cleansing oil. So, this is what it basically looks like. I haven't tried this. Ngayon ko lang siya nilagay. Tinanggal sa box. Amoy natin. Wala naman siyang scent na And then, ayun nga, yung setting spray na sinasabi ko sa inyo. It's not really a setting spray, but this is the Celotex Dermoscience Hydration Hydrolyzed Moisturizing Mist. So, yan. It's technically a moisturizer na ini-spray sa mukha. Pero, you can use products like this to set your makeup. Actually, you can use water nga. Yung iba, diba, ginagamit nila yung Evian. So, I think you can use this as setting makeup, makeup setting spray. Baligtad, makeup setting spray as well. Nabubulol na naman ako. By the way, segue lang, yung hair ko, yan yung Manic Panic Hot Hot Pink. Nagpe-fade na siya, lalo na sa baba. So, medyo nagiging orangey na siya. So, this is another skincare. And this is the Celotex 2-in-1 Eye Bag Miracle Kit. Do not accept if seal is broken. Pero wait, meron nakalagay na shade, natural. So, I think this is tinted. So, para ba tong concealer? Tao ba to? Bagay ba to? Ganun. Finally. So, this is what the Celotex 2-in-1 Eye Bag Miracle Kit looks like. Ayan. And this is natural. Okay. Kaya siya 2-in-1 kasi meron kang eye cream. Yan, nakasama. Wala siyang May amoy ba? Parang wala din naman. Meron ng eye cream. And then, pagka binuksan mo yung takip niya, when you flip it, ayun yung concealer. Best! So, kaya siya 2-in-1 Miracle, ano yun? 2-in-1 eye bag Miracle Kit. So, excited ako na gamitin to. Hopefully, this will work. It comes with, ayun nga, eye balm. Eye balm siya, hindi siya eye cream. It's an eye balm. And then, meron siyang kasamang eye foundation. So, parang concealer siya. Because it's going to lighten and conceal your dark circles daw. So, ayun, natural yung shade nito. Kaya pala may shade. Kasi yun nga, concealer yung kasama niya. Next is, ito yung isa sa pinaka-inaabangan ko. So, this is their newest powder. This is the Celatec Dermo Cosmetics CC Microhydrating powder. So, this is a loose powder. Actually, kaya siya nagiging loose kasi nagagrind mo siya pagka binuksan mo siya. So, this is in the shade Classic Natural. Dun sa Celatec, ito kasi yung galing sa BDJ box. Yung galing sa Celatec, ang nakuha kong shade ay iba, parang mas dark yata. So, that's a good thing because I can, mix them together or pwede kong gamitin sa ibang clients ko or kay Queen Bee or what. So, ayun nga. This is in the shade Classic Natural and this is what it looks like inside. Ayan, laki siya. Malaki siya. Pag binuksan mo, ayan, may kasama siyang mirror and then it comes with a powder puff as well. Tapos, ayun, nakasil pa siya. Iikutin mo yan, bes. Ayan. Iikutin mo siya. Sige, tignan na nga natin ngayon. Ay, bongga. Ayan, tinanggal ko na yung seal niya talaga para magamit ko na siya. Iikutin mo siya para mag-grind yung powder. Ay, sorry, hindi ko maipakita sa... Ayan, inikot ko siya ng pa-clockwise, tapos naglaglagan na yung powder niya. Ayun, so nag-grind siya. Yeah, I can't wait to use this. Tatabi ko muna. Ayan, ilalagay ko na siya dito sa nakikita ko para hindi ko siya makalimutang gamitin. And then, ito yung nakakatuwa pa. They have a primer. So, meron na sila ng 24-hour photo ready na foundation. Ngayon, nag-partner sila ng primer nun. So, this is the 24-hour photo ready matte primer. So, this is what the primer looks like. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. And I haven't tried this yet. Yung itsura niya, parang maliit na version ng foundation. Kasi ganito yung itsura ng foundation nila. Mahaba nga lang ng konti dito. So, yung primer niya, clear lang naman siya. Tinry ko sa likod ng kamay ko nung una ko siyang nakita kasi excited ako. Pero sa face ko, hindi ko pa siya natatry. Meron na din silang eyebrow defining kit. So, they have two. Yeah, they have two eyebrow defining kit. The first one is medium brown. And then the second one is deep brown. Lahat ng price, lahat ng presyo nila, ilalagay ko po sa information box sa baba. Doon nyo po tignan. Hindi ko pa rin to natatry. But I tried their eyeshadow. Meron na din silang eyeshadow palette. Anyway, yeah. This is what the eyebrow defining kit looks like. Simpleng packaging lang. Parang yung sa powder nila. When you open it, ayan, may kasamang mirror. And then, dalawang shade. So, I'm guessing the other one is a wax. Yeah. Itong mas dark. Yan. Itong mas dark, wax yan. And then, ito yung powder. And then, it comes with a small brush. It's a dual-ended small brush. Yan. Okay, let's now move on to the eyeshadow palettes. At ito yung sinabi ko sa inyong nagamit ko na. So, they have 3 shades or 3 variants. So, the first one is called Smoky Gray. And then, yung na-try ko is yung Warm Brown. Ito yung eyeshadow palette na ginamit ko dun sa year-end party namin ng mga fellow beauty vloggers sa bahay nila, Miss Anna Kai. And then, the last one that I have here is the palette Pink Orchid. So, hindi ko na lang papakita sa inyo isa-isa, pero papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura niya sa loob. Kasi may kasama siyang eye primer sa loob. So, para siyang eyebrow wax yung itsura niya, pero eyeshadow primer siya. Yan, yung itsura niya parang yung sa eyebrow kit lang. And then, when you open it, you'll get 3 different shades of eyeshadow. May kasama ding mirror. Yung gusto ko sa packaging nila. Lahat may mirror. So, nakakatawa pag ginamit mo. And, 'di ba? Makikita mo na maayos yung sarili mo. Ayun nga, at ito yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, isa lang yung kausap ko. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong eyeshadow primer. Ayan. Para lang siyang eyebrow wax. So, lahat sila may kasamang eyeshadow primer na dyan nakalagay and then may 3 kasamang eyeshadows. So, ayun. And then may kasama ding dual-ended brush. I have here like 5 more items. Pero, 2 variants na lang siya or 2 klase na lang siya. So, itong isang to ay yung kanilang Ultra Nourishing Lip Lacquer. So, I have here 2 shades, pero sa tingin ko, hindi lang 2 shades yung meron sila nito. So, I have here 2 shades from my BDJ box, and I have another 2 shades doon sa galing sa Celetec mismo. Pero, ang shade na meron ako dun sa BDJ box, munti ka na mahulog, ay Natural Nude and Velvet Red. And then, dun naman sa Celetec na package mismo, I got the shades Velvet Red again, and then Soft Pink. So, ito na lang tatlo yung papakita ko sa inyo kasi nadoble na yung Velvet Red. Hindi nga lang ako sigurado kung ilang shade yung meron sila nitong Ultra Nourishing Lip Lacquer nila, but I have 3 right here. So, I have here the shades Natural Nude, Soft Pink, and Velvet Red. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung Velvet Red. So, this is what it looks like inside. Ayan siya. So, akala ko nung una matte, pero it's just a lip lacquer na merong konting sheen, para siyang lip gloss. Ay, very sheer lang siya. Para lang siya talagang lip gloss. So, ayan yung Velvet Red. The next shade na itry natin ay yung shade na Soft Pink. Not really into this kind of, you know, lip products na parang lip gloss lang. Siguro pang top. Parang as a topper ng mga lip color, ng mga lipsticks ko, pwede ko siyang gamitin. Pero that alone, hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. Medyo amoy cherry siya. Here, finally, the shade Natural Nude. Ito yung Natural Nude. Ayan. So, I have here the Ultra Nourishing Lip Lacquers ng Celetec. I have here the shade Red Velvet, nakikita nyo ba ng maayos? Red Velvet, Soft Pink, and Natural Nude. Ayan, para lang silang mga simpleng lip gloss, ganon. But I haven't tried them on my lips yet. So, tingnan natin kung talagang ultra nourishing nga sila, diba? And then the final items that I have right here are the Moisturizing Lip and Cheek Duo. So, I have here 2 shades. Ito yung shade na Rosy Blush and Soft Berry. Chinay ko yung Celetec parcel ko, and then parehong shade lang naman yung meron dun sa shades na nakuha ko sa BDJ box. So, I'm going to show you how it looks like inside, or what it looks like inside. Ito yung shade na Soft Berry. Dun muna tayo sa Soft Berry. At ang itsura niya, oy, ba't ganun? Ah, parang wala siyang pinagkaiba dun sa nourishing, ultra nourishing lip lacquers. Pero yung consistency, tignan natin. Saan ko ba? O yan. So, mas creamy siya. Creamy siya compared mo dun sa ultra nourishing lip lacquers. Nakikita nyo ba? Oh my goodness. Ayan. Ito yung lip and cheek duo. Moisturizing lip and cheek duo. Creamy siya. Kala mo nga parang ano siya, liquid lipstick, pero it doesn't dry matte. The other shade is called Rosy Blush. Ayan, Soft Berry and Rosy Blush. Hindi ko pa sila lahat natatry sa face ko. Yung eyeshadow pa lang talaga yung nagamit ko sa eyes ko. Pero other than that, hindi ko pa natry lahat itong gamitin at i-road test yung lahat ng Celetec products na to. And I'm really excited kasi mukhang promising sila since I've tried their powder, I've tried their other products, yung concealer nila, yung foundation nila, at nagustuhan ko naman. So, I'm hoping na magaganda rin tong lahat ng new products ng Celetec na to. So, that's it for my Celetec Dermo Cosmetics haul / BDJ box unboxing. Kahit technically, hindi na to yung latest nila. I'm really sorry for the delay. Ang dami nang naiinis sa akin kasi daw late akong gumawa ng video. Pero, alam mo, pag tinamaan ka talaga ng quarter life crisis na yan, as in, gusto mo kumilos pero hindi mo magawa. Pero kailangan mo ng labanan yon. So, ayun. Nilabanan ko yon. Umalis ako sa kahon ko. Hindi ako umaalis eh. So, ayun. Lumabas ako. Pinilit ko yung sarili ko. And eto na ako ulit. Nagbabalik na ako sa paggawa ng mga beauty videos and vlogs. At lagi pa ako nagla-live video. And life is really, really sweet at the moment. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have questions regarding this new Celetec Dermo Cosmetics na pinakita ko sa inyo, lahat nga ng price ilalagay ko sa baba. Kung may hindi man akong mailagay na information about sa kanila, just comment below your questions like always, or you can simply email me at ibsc1989@yahoo.com. And please don't forget to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram account, Twitter, pareho lang bingcasho89, and then I also have another Instagram account for my makeup works. That is the Makeup by Bing Castro. And ayun, yun nga, yung blog site ko, please don't forget to visit it for my product reviews kasi minsan hindi ko na ginagawa ng video reviews, lalo na pag simple lang naman. So, nilalagay ko na lang sila dun sa vlog ko. I'm really sorry kung napapatingin-tingin ako sa screen kasi nakikita ko yung sarili ko. So yeah, that's it again for this video. Thank you so much for watching as always. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already para naman mapanood nyo pa yung mga future videos ko. So thank you so much again for watching this video and I hope to see you on the next one, you guys. Stay awesome and accomplish your mission. Bye!